The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Canh Chua Tom is a substantial, vibrant sweet and sour seafood soup that hails from the Mekong Delta of southern Vietnam. Its signature tang comes from a trinity of natural souring agents: tamarind juice, ripe tomato, and fresh pineapple, balanced by the gentle sweetness of sugar and the savory depth of fish sauce. Fragrant lemongrass perfumes the broth, while a quick marinated mixture of shrimp, squid, and fish fillets keeps the cooking time short and the seafood tender. Bean sprouts add crunch, and cucumber ribbons offer a cooling contrast, finished with a shower of fresh mint or coriander. Serve it alongside steamed rice and other dishes as part of a communal Vietnamese meal rather than as a separate course. This recipe is adapted faithfully from Vietnamese Cooking Made Easy. The method and ingredient proportions follow the source. The cross-reference from Food Network's tamarind-seafood soup confirms the authentic technique of building a tamarind-pineapple broth before adding seafood and finishing with fresh herbs. Seafood: fresh seafood, a combination of shrimp, squid, and fish fillets, cleaned and shelled, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 pound. Marinade: garlic, minced, 2 cloves, finger-length red chili, deseeded and minced, 1 fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, soup base, oil, 2 teaspoons, onion, thinly sliced, 1/2, lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part sliced, 3 stalks, chicken or fish stock, or 2 to 3 stock cubes dissolved in 6 cups hot water, 6 cups, large ripe tomato, cut into wedges, 1 fresh or canned pineapple, cut into chunks, 1 cup, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, tamarind juice, 2 tablespoons, sugar, 1 tablespoon, salt, 1/2 teaspoon. To finish and garnish: bean sprouts, seed coats and tails removed, 2 cups, baby cucumber, cut into matchsticks, 1, mint leaves or sprigs of coriander leaves, 20. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Prepare the seafood. Clean and shell the shrimp, squid, and fish fillets as needed, then cut everything into uniform bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. 2. Make the marinade. In a large bowl, combine the minced garlic, deseeded and minced red chili, fish sauce, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix well until blended. 3. Marinate the seafood. Place the seafood in the marinade and toss until every piece is well coated. Cover with a cloth and allow to marinate for at least 20 minutes. 4. Prep the aromatics and produce. Thinly slice the onion. Prepare the lemongrass by trimming away the root end and tough outer layers, then slice the tender inner core. Cut the tomato into wedges, the pineapple into chunks, and the baby cucumber into matchsticks. Rinse and pick over the bean sprouts, removing seed coats and tails. Set the cucumber and bean sprouts aside for finishing. 5. Prepare the tamarind juice. If making from pulp, mix 1 tablespoon dried tamarind pulp with 2 tablespoons warm water, mash well, and strain through a fine sieve to yield 2 tablespoons of tangy tamarind juice. Cooking steps: 1. Sauté the aromatics. Heat the oil in a wok or stock pot over medium heat. Stir-fry the sliced onion and lemongrass for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and tender. 2. Build the broth. Add the chicken or fish stock, tomato wedges, and pineapple chunks to the pot. Mix well and season with the fish sauce, tamarind juice, sugar, and salt. 3. Bring to a boil. Increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a boil, then simmer uncovered for about 1 minute so the tomato and pineapple begin to release their sweet tart flavor into the broth. 4. Cook the seafood. Add the marinated seafood and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and the squid and fish are just cooked through. Take care not to overcook, as the seafood should remain tender. 5. Add the bean sprouts and adjust. Finally, add the bean sprouts and mix well. Taste and adjust the seasoning by adding more fish sauce or tamarind juice if needed. Remove from the heat. 6. Serve. Ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls. Top with cucumber matchsticks and fresh mint or coriander leaves. Serve immediately with steamed rice.